why is that burning? Ow! Why does that burn so? Ow! Ow! This is a mess. Straight up a mess. Hi everyone, I look like a crackhead, but it's fine. So hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm going to be bleaching my hair to turn into a TikTok e-girl. Now I get it, I look like shit right now, and I'm not trying to say that to, you know, be relating and like self-deprecating and like subscribe because I'm so relatable. Like, no, like I think we can all agree I can look better than this. But I just don't want to. I'm bleaching my hair. It's 7 o'clock at night, which isn't even that late, but it's late to me because I don't hang out with people and like I sit at home all day. I first saw Barina do this, and then I saw another girl do this, and then now I think it's just a trend to be a TikTok e-girl. If you guys don't know me, I usually do a bunch of like spending $1,000 to like transform into like this bitch, but I thought I would test this out, and I feel like I'm gonna fuck up, so this could be a whole video in itself. So here we are today, fucking up our hair, even though I could go to a salon, but I just choose not to for the content. Please subscribe. I'm gonna get a lot of comments saying that I'm only doing this because I'm having a mental breakdown because my ex-boyfriend cheated on me. But I promise you it's not. I wanted to do this when I was dating him, but I just didn't have the balls to. So now we're gonna do it. So if you guys don't know, I told myself a couple months ago that I was gonna go on a healthy hair journey, never touch my hair again, because last year I bleached my hair like 8 times and it all started to fall out. So I did a huge chop and now we're here bleaching it again, but this time by myself. So I definitely should not be doing this, but who's gonna stop me? Okay, I really think I'm gonna mess up. Freaking, I have like permanent black dye in my hair right now that I got from a salon, and you're not supposed to really bleach your hair after that or else it's gonna turn like orange. So I'm really gonna mess up, but as long as I get 1 subscriber from this, I think that it's worth it. So you could be that one person that subscribes to me to make this all worth it, or you guys can just be mean and not do it and just let me cry myself to sleep because I up my hair. But I'm just doing this for content, you know? I want you guys to have an amazing time watching my videos. Brad, please react to my video. I would really appreciate it. This would make it all worth it. I don't know if I can't like look at myself and like tell myself it'll look good or not because like, I don't have makeup on, so like I look like shit anyways, so like I'm just thinking that I'm gonna look like shit with it. You know what? That's enough. That's enough. We're gonna do that. Now I need a hair tie. Don't mind me, I'm just peeing. So these are the parts that I picked off. They're not the most healthy, so hopefully it doesn't like absolutely fry off. Kind of scared, but I got some Olaplex because I know Olaplex saves your hair, and like I've been using it for the longest time. And I actually got Olaplex #1. Sue me, I know you're not supposed to have it, but like it just, so basically if you guys don't know what it is, I hope Brad is watching this so he's like, oh my god, you know your shit, you know? Just kidding, he's not watching this, he doesn't give a fuck about me. So basically I can't even explain it, like it makes your like hair molecules just 40 level developer. You're never supposed to really use 40, but whenever you use Olaplex #1, it brings it down like 10, I think. So this is actually volume 30. Don't know what I'm talking about. So how's your day going, guys? I haven't cried today, actually, surprisingly, and I didn't cry yesterday, which like is great because my boyfriend cheated on me the other day. And honestly, I'm gonna use it for as much content as possible because now that I don't have anyone to talk to, I talk to the camera about my life problems. You guys probably think I'm a mental breakdown, but if you watch my videos back in 2018, this is just how I was. I literally have never bleached my hair or done anything with it in my life, like myself, except for like use red Kool-Aid back in like 2013 when that was a thing. Anyone else do that? Okay, so I just spent the last 30 minutes trying to figure it out, and apparently Olaplex changed the thing so you don't have to like bump up the developer. So I might just burn off my hair, but we'll see. I got a scale because I thought I'd be bougie. So I'm just using this. I'm gonna add the whole packet because like honestly don't care. Feel like I did too much. Feel like I did too much. I just don't wanna like do too much, you know? I've never done this in my life, if you can't tell. Time to do the Olaplex, which it says to add 1/8 of an ounce, and this whole packet is like half an ounce. So I'm just gonna wing it. Come on, don't be shy. I could be totally like fucking up my hair right now, and like I don't even know this, but you guys already know because you guys are watching the video, and like you guys just definitely could have used something else to mix, but it's working. I'm working, bitch. Do I watch too much TikTok? Yes. Do I care? No. Does this look right, Brad Mondo? Tell me, please. The 9 mistakes when bleaching hair at home. Okay, yeah, I should read this. It says bleaching hair that has already been bleached. Yeah, I've bleached my hair, so whoopsies. It says volume 40 can provide high lift, but it can also be really damaging. I do not recommend using it. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Are we gonna go for it? I think we're just gonna go for it. I'm really scared, if you guys cannot tell. I'm scared. Ah! Okay. It's going, it's happening. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, this smells like shit. This is definitely not how my stylist does it, but it's fine. It's totally fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna wreck my hands by bleaching my hands too, but You know what? It's okay. It's definitely... I can't believe I'm doing this. My hair stylist is probably watching this right now cringing. Literally cringing. But you know what? Balling on a budget. Oh shit. On a budget, baby. We're just gonna squeeze it. I f***ed up. I can already tell that this is not a good idea. It says use gloves. I don't want to use gloves. I feel like I'm at a hair salon. Scrunch this baby up. And now we wait 20 minutes. I literally look like an alien and I know that this isn't a good idea and I already regret it. Literally everything that happens with my life. Oh my god. So follow me on TikTok. Just did a bad thing and you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did.
A few moments later.
It's been 10 minutes. What the fuck? I felt like it's been 2. Time goes by when you're having fun. Oh wow, lifting very well. Oh my gosh. I'm just saying shit that my hairstylist says. Okay, so up here should be like my virgin hair and it's not lifting so well. Okay, my timer is about to go off, so I'm gonna take this one out and see what's going on. I feel like I need a fully oh my god. Okay, so you can see where like it's already been bleached before. So we're gonna like saturate this part more, I think. We'll do my roots in a second. Yeah, definitely need to do like up here more and then leave it on longer. I'll do my roots in like 5. We're just gonna heavily saturate. I accidentally put some down there, which was a mistake. It's fine. Did you know the other day it was so cold that they had to bring the penguins in from the zoo because it was colder than Antarctica? And now it's so warm that the grizzly bears think that it's not winter anymore. Like it literally straight up went from -40 to +5 in the span of 2 days. We're gonna leave this on for 5 minutes and come back. You guys wanna know what I cannot do? I can't dance, so I can't be TikTok famous, but I cannot do that like body roll. But I see like Asian boys do it with a flat ass and they're like throwing it back like the best I've ever seen before. And I just watched a tutorial and it's like all you gotta do is like roll your back like this, act like you're rolling your back, and then you just grab your knees and then roll your back and like rolling your back, rolling your back, rolling your back, and then grabbing your knees and then rolling. I cannot. Okay, I'm gonna do the roots and then we'll wash it out after like 10 more minutes, which is gonna be 40 minutes, but like it's fine. It's burning, it's burning. Literally orange. Okay, so my camera died, but we're back. Okay, so it's been an extra 10 minutes and I don't want to completely like fuck up my hair, so it's like brown right now, but it's definitely uneven. But I'm still gonna wash it out and then we'll re-bleach. My hair feels like straw. We will re-bleach, so. Okay, first thoughts. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, why does it look like that? Why does it look, oh my god, no, why does it look like that? I messed up. Why are some pieces still straight up black? So we're definitely gonna have to go through this process again. I'm gonna apply some Olaplex 1 to my hair, dilute it with water though. Brad Mondo, help me, what are you doing? Okay, and then I'm gonna take Olaplex number 2. I'm gonna put that on my hair. And I heard you can bleach over top of Olaplex too, so I hope that that's true because I don't want to wash this out. And I don't have that much bleach left. Look how much bleach I have left. So I'm going to try to do just like the middle parts first and then I'll do the roots part last. I'm so stressed out. Can you guys tell? I'm like getting really quiet because I'm so stressed. I need to wipe this shit off my f***ing head. It's like everywhere. It's burning me. Oh. Okay, I'll leave this in for like 10-15 minutes.
Later.
Okay, so it's been 10 minutes, so I'm gonna check on it. Okay, it looks like nothing has changed. I have no bleach left, like none. I'm just straight up burning my forehead off. I know you're not supposed to bleach your hair twice in one session, but like it had to be done. Oh my god, and this piece isn't even supposed to be in it. What am I doing? We're gonna leave this on for like another 10 minutes, actually saturate the roots, and then we'll be done. Okay, I literally don't know how long it's been, but I'm gonna actually do the roots now. I'm like giving up on this. It was going good until my dumbass got the wrong pieces in it. Leave this on for another like 10 minutes. Okay, I think the bleach has been in my hair for like long enough or else my hair is gonna fall out, but it's definitely patchy. Because if you can see, it's like yellow up here, but then there's like the black strands and then there's like orange down here, and then like I just don't know what the f to do. There's like brown pieces that I need to pick out and like dye back to black, and it's just not going too well, if you guys can't tell. I'm gonna wash it out and see what happens. This is not good. There's like black pieces in it that like aren't supposed to be in it. If you can tell my energy has gone down, it's because like I'm not happy that I'm doing this anymore. You're supposed to mix toner with developer, but I have 40 developer and it says use 20 developer, which I don't have. Okay, so I just put the toner in here, turned into this like clear paste, I guess. Okay, it says to apply for up to 30 minutes. Okay. Oh, why is that burning? Ow! Why does that burn so f***ing bad? Ow! Ow! Was not expecting that. This burns way more than the bleach did. Is this normal? I don't think this toner is gonna work because my hair didn't get to like a yellow. It's only orange. So it's like only gonna work for like the bottom pieces of my hair, like down here, you know? So I'm gonna leave this in my hair. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go get some food while this is, oh shit, let's start. I'm gonna go get some food while I'm waiting for this. Straight up chilling in shorts while there's snow outside. McDouble meal, a medium iced coffee. Okay, so it's been like, I don't even know how long, but so my hair looks like. I'm gonna wash it out now. Follow me TikTok, ooh. Okay, I'm gonna wash it out now. So I really wish the rest of my hair was like this because this has been bleached before, but no, the rest of my hair is orange. So what the do I do? I don't know. So if you guys can see, like right here is like silver and nice, and then up here is like black and yellow. Black and yellow. I'm gonna dye pink, okay? There's no way I'm keeping just like orange ass hair. It says to like put Vaseline or something around your head so it doesn't like stain, but I don't have that, so we're just gonna go for it. So messed up how it's like white and then I think I should do like the bottom strands last because that'll take longer, right? Okay, now I'm gonna like do a twisty. I regret this. Okay, I'm gonna set a timer for 30 minutes and then we'll wait and then I'll like come back and like hopefully it's not like too shitty and then I'll dye this part. Alright, we're back. So I hope you guys know that I'm doing this just for views, so please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't skip the ads because I wanted to get this professionally done, but then I thought that's boring, so we're not gonna do that. So now I'm gonna put this on the ends of my hair since I'm out of breath. Every time I walk up the stairs I die. Okay, we're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. Do I look cute? I don't, so don't lie to me. Ah, cute guy just Snapchatted me and I look like shit. I don't know what to do. I like added him on K. So like basically we were DMing and then we exchanged that. Don't worry guys, I'm not trying to get in another relationship. It's just like talking to people, you know, making friends. So we were DMing and we exchanged Snapchats and I didn't want to add him back until tomorrow because I don't look cute today, but then I added him back because I thought it was late enough to add him back, and he added me back and then he Snapchatted me and then I wasn't expecting him to Snapchat me, so I don't know what to do. We're back, out of breath again, and I'm nervous. My hands are dry as okay, time to wash it out. Wish me luck. This looks like shit. Wait, it's actually pink. Okay, I'm gonna wash my whole head and then come back to you guys. Okay, so I just showered. It still looks yellow because like I missed some parts. Okay, so I'm not even like done blow drying it yet, but it's just like not pink enough, I don't think, and I feel like I should dye it more pink. Also, the hair is like ratchet and uneven. I'm gonna re-dye it. I'm gonna make sure everything is dyed this time because like it's so yellow, it makes me upset. I don't think this is very professional, just like slamming it up in my hands. But like it's the best I got, okay? This is a mess. Straight up a mess. I'm gonna come back in like 30 minutes and hopefully this is better. If not, what a waste of time.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I just dried it after like washing it out and like it just doesn't it's not separated properly, like that's all I can say. It looks super fried right now because it is fried, but I'm going to cut the bangs now because why not? I got some hair cutting scissors because I've learned the mistake to like not cut your hair with like these scissors before since like I was like 5 years old, and then I snuck into the bathroom with scissors and locked the door and then cut my bangs, but I feel like every kid has done that, so I don't know what I'm doing. First, I'm gonna start off by just like going like this. Oh my god, my hair looks so trash. What did I just do? I don't know what I just did. Definitely does not look good. I should just dye my hair back to black. This is not a look. This was not made for me. I look like an idiot. Why did I decide to do this? I need to dye my hair back to black. Oh my god, I look bad. You know the TikTok where it's like, oh my god, I look good. Yeah, that's not me, right? Okay, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow because I'm hella disappointed. I feel like I should cut more of my bangs and I'm probably gonna regret this, but like as you guys can see, like this is way shorter than this, so I feel like I should like make it like go I don't know what I'm doing. Last time I did this, I really fucked up really bad when I was younger. Is that how you do it? What am I doing? Wait, it like kind of worked. Ruining my hair. Now I don't know how I'm gonna do it with my left hand. I probably should have thought this. I cannot do this with my left hand. Oh my god. How am I supposed to do this with my left hand? I can't. Oh my god, I literally almost snipped it. You know what? That's good enough. I've cut off too much hair. Whoa, like this it kind of like, no, it looks like even shittier. I really did myself a favor and made myself way uglier. Guess who's going back to black? Okay, I was gonna like add to this video tomorrow after I've done my makeup and everything, but just go follow my Instagram, go look at the picture I post, because I'm just gonna post a picture. It should be up now. Go check it out. Please subscribe, because I hate this. I literally hate how I look. I think I look so ugly. But subscribe anyways, please. Let me know what I should do impulsively next and to ruin how I look, even though I already look like shit. Until next time, oh, follow my Snapchat, follow my Instagram, I already said that, but yeah, until next time, peace. Love you guys.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've